Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on Runway ML AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in runwayml.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Runway ML. Now right from the home page, if you already have an account, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now if you created your account using your Google account or your Apple account, you can click on the respective buttons. You can also click on Use Single Sign-On or SSO if you have the access. Otherwise, just type in your username and then type in your password and click on the login button. And now you will be logged into your account with Runway ML and you can immediately start creating right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Runway ML. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.